Hey everybody, it is Jared Snyder and welcome to my channel. Thank you for being a part of my community, and if you're not part of my community, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you and motivate you and help you get healthy and fit and give you all the stuff you need to stay healthy and fit. I just got my workout in. I want to chat a little bit about it here in a second, but I wanted to show you something here on YouTube that maybe might just help you out. Alright, so I'm going to flip the camera around and we're going to take a look. Alright, so I'm on my YouTube channel. I'm going to go to my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel. And if you're not part, I'd love for you to subscribe. I wanted to show you something. In my videos, that was yesterday. Oh man, that was a tough workout. All that sweat on me. Oh my gosh. But I wanted to go to the comments. Not the comments, but my description. I just want to let you know that I have the Beachbody On Demand link there. All you have to do is hit on it and you can sign up for the workouts that I do, or all of the Team Beachbody workouts. It also has a group on there to learn about coaching. It also has my support and accountability group, which is my Better You group. In my Better You group, we have about 631 members right now, and this is a welcome message that I have a lot of people watch. But like each day, I put my workouts in there. There's today's workout. And I have people post about their journeys in there, and we just keep them accountable. Also, I post, that's my YouTube channel. I'm trying to get more subscribers. But motivation for the day. The motivation comes from within. No one can hand it to you, but no one can take it away either. I try to motivate each person. There's my wife, Crystal. She's doing so well with Lift 4, one of the other Beachbody programs. And then each night I have this check-in. Did you get your workout in? If so, how'd it go? And I just have tons of people, you know, either share a photo, or however it went. A lot of people just put their workouts in here. Also, I'm always inviting new members to my group. And this is me telling them about Beachbody On Demand because it's so awesome and it's changed my life. And I just want to shout it to the rooftops. More people I've invited. Another quote, start living your life fearlessly. More people. This guy is a group member, and he runs a lot, bikes a lot, and just amazing motivation from him. My wife again. More people, and just every day I try to motivate people and get them to going. Another YouTube video that I made. But this is my group. If you do click on that link to groups, it will head you over there. The teambeachbody.com shop, that is my website where you can shop for programs, supplements, workout gear, whatever. It's pretty amazing. You can also, this one right here, Jared35, that is my regular Facebook. But anyways, these are some links that will help you out and help you connect with me. You can Also, underneath, leave me comments. You can add your public comment here, and I'll get back with you. I'd love to hear from you and chat with you. If you're struggling with anything, that would be amazing. But I just wanted to show you some stuff on this. Also, if you come to my page, you can see Get Healthy with Jared. If you click on this, it has also the stuff. Facebook like page. Your free Team Beachbody membership. Let me help you crush your health and fitness goals. All the awesome workouts for you. Join my team. I would love to have you as a coach on my team. We could rock this out together. All access to Beachbody on demand in my website. But anyways, I just wanted to let you know all about those links on there and how you could find stuff. Maybe that helps you out a little bit. But anyways, hi Maggie. But anyways, today I did 2 workouts. One was hammer and chisel, and it was chisel cardio, and that was weighted cardio. You'll see the side screen of me doing it and what kind of moves we did in it. And that was 40 minutes long, and all the moves that I put in there we did in the first set, and then we redid the set and did that again. But there was a few more moves that I just left out. And then after that, I did T25. What was it? Circuit training. So I did that. That was really. It was really tough getting through that after doing the cardio from the hammer and chisel. But I kept on telling myself, you can do it, you can do it, you can do it. My goal is to shrink my stomach. That's what I really want to do. And I know that honestly, it took me a long time to make my stomach this big. So it's going to take me a while to get rid of it. So that's why I'm working on it each day. I just want to be healthy, and I just want to feel good in my clothes and look good in pictures, I guess. So. But I hope that you guys are having a good day, and I'm here to help, man. Man or woman, I would love to get to know you, and I believe in Team Beachbody and what they stand for. I love that they have so many awesome supplements that will help you, and also that they have all these amazing workouts coming on, all these amazing trainers that really care about their stuff, and that they're coming, inventing new things with workouts, all done from home. Like, you don't have to go to the gym. You can make your own gym at your house. I know with this COVID stuff, I don't even know where the gyms are open and where the gyms are closed. Like in Michigan, they're closed around here. That I know of. They're doing, at a lot of gyms, they're doing outside workouts. But this is one way, that you can get into an awesome program. And if you sign up with me as a coach, I will put you in that accountability group. We can just do this together. You can join the fit family. Let's be workout friends online, and let's just encourage one another to live a healthier, better life, But anyways, that being said, I hope that you guys have an awesome day, and leave comments below. Let me know how you're doing with your health and fitness. Let me know if you're struggling with anything. Let me know if I could do a video on something that might help you with what you're struggling with. But anyways, also, if you like my videos, can you please smash the like button? Anyways, I will chat with y'all later. Please subscribe. Love you guys, and take care.